Welcome to Chef Mariam's website recipe. Here, we specialize in showcasing the culinary delights of traditional Indian cuisine. Today, we're going to focus on one of the most beloved dishes in India, Chana Masala. Chana Masala, also known as chole masala or chickpea curry, is a flavorful and aromatic dish made with chickpeas, spices, and a tangy tomato sauce. The dish is considered a staple food in India and is popular for its irresistible taste and versatility. It can be served with a variety of bread, such as naan or roti, and can also be used as a filling for sandwiches and wraps. The key to making a delicious chana masala lies in the spices used. A typical blend includes cumin, coriander, turmeric, garam masala, and chili powder. These spices are carefully roasted and ground to release their full flavor and aroma. The chickpeas are then simmered in a rich tomato sauce, along with the spice blend and other ingredients like ginger, garlic, and onions. One of the great things about chana masala is that it can be customized to suit individual tastes. Some people prefer it to be spicy, while others prefer a sweeter, milder flavor. The consistency of the dish can also be adjusted. Some people like it thick and chunky, while others prefer it to be smoother and more sauce-like. When making chana masala at home, it's important to use high-quality, fresh ingredients. This will ensure that the dish has the best possible flavor and texture. Chana masala is not only delicious, but it is also nutritious and a great vegetarian option. Chickpeas are high in protein, fiber, and vitamins, making them a great choice for those following a plant-based diet. In conclusion, chana masala is a staple dish in Indian cuisine that offers a rich and flavorful experience. With its versatility and customizable options, it's no wonder why it's so beloved by so many. We hope this has inspired you to try making chana masala at home, and we look forward to sharing more delicious recipes with you on Chef Mariam's website. Introduction. Chana masala is a traditional Indian dish made from chickpeas, spices, and a tangy tomato sauce. This dish is considered a staple food in India and is popular for its irresistible taste and versatility. The key to a delicious chana masala lies in the spices used, including cumin, coriander, turmeric, garam masala, and chili powder. Chana masala can be customized to suit individual tastes, whether you prefer it spicy or mild, and thick or sauce-like. This dish is not only delicious but also nutritious, as chickpeas are high in protein, fiber, and vitamins, making chana masala a great vegetarian option. Welcome to Chef Mariam's kitchen. Here, we are passionate about food and sharing our recipes with you. Today, we're going to share a delicious recipe for chana masala, one of the most beloved dishes in Indian cuisine. Chana masala, also known as chole masala or chickpea curry, is a flavorful and aromatic dish made with chickpeas, spices, and a tangy tomato sauce. It is a staple food in India and is popular for its irresistible taste and versatility. Whether you serve it with naan, or roti, or use it as a filling for sandwiches and wraps, chana masala is sure to impress. Let's get started on this delicious recipe. Ingredients. 2 cups dried chickpeas or 4 cans of chickpeas, drained and rinsed. 2 tablespoons vegetable oil. 1 large onion, chopped. 4 cloves garlic, minced. 2 tablespoons ginger, grated. 2 tomatoes, chopped. 1 tablespoon cumin seeds. 1 teaspoon coriander powder. 1 teaspoon turmeric powder. 1 teaspoon garam masala. 1 teaspoon chili powder. Salt, to taste. 2 tablespoons fresh cilantro, chopped. Instructions. In the case of utilizing dried chickpeas, drench them short-term in water. Drain and rinse before using. In an enormous skillet, heat the oil over medium intensity. Add the cleaved onion and sauté until relaxed, around 5 minutes. Add the minced garlic and grated ginger to the pan and sauté for another minute, until fragrant. Add the chopped tomatoes to the pan and cook until soft, about 5 minutes. Add the cumin seeds, coriander powder, turmeric powder, garam masala, and chili powder to the pan. Stir well to combine and cook for 2 to 3 minutes, until the spices are fragrant. Add the chickpeas to the pan and stir to coat with the spice mixture. Add enough water to the pan to cover the chickpeas and bring to a boil. Reduce the heat to low, cover the pan, and let simmer for 30 to 40 minutes, until the chickpeas are tender. Season with salt to taste. Remove the pan from heat and garnish with fresh cilantro. Serve with naan and roti, or use it as a filling for sandwiches and wraps. And there you have it, a delicious and authentic recipe for Chana Masala. This dish is perfect for those who are looking for a vegetarian option that is high in protein, fiber, and vitamins. The spices used in this recipe bring out the best in the chickpeas and create a rich and flavorful dish that is sure to impress. We hope you enjoy this recipe and don't forget to check out our other delicious recipes on Chef Mariam's Food. Happy cooking! Chef Mariam is a special touch. Likes to add a pinch of amchur powder, also known as dried mango powder, to her Chana Masala recipe. This ingredient adds a tangy and fruity flavor to the dish, elevating it to a whole new level. Additionally, Chef Mariam recommends using whole spices, such as cumin seeds and coriander seeds, rather than their powdered counterparts for a bolder flavor. Toasting the spices before grinding them also enhances their flavor and aroma. For a thicker consistency, Chef Mariam suggests mashing some of the chickpeas with a fork or potato masher before adding them to the pan. This will assist with thickening the sauce and give it a rich surface. Finally, Chef Mariam recommends using fresh, vine-ripened tomatoes for the best flavor and texture. If you can't find fresh tomatoes, canned tomatoes can also be used, but make sure to drain them well and chop them before using them. With these special tips from Chef Mariam, your Chana Masala is sure to be a hit. Serve it with fresh bread or rice for a complete and satisfying meal. Enjoy!